They don't budget. Many people don't have a budget, according to a study from US Bank. Only 41% of Americans stick to a budget. A lot of people think that living on a budget is the same as living frugally, but it doesn't have to be. It just depends on how large your budget is and follow it. If you don't have a budget, how do you then track your expenses? And how do you make sure that you have enough money left each month to invest? A lot of people buy as needed, and that doesn't make it possible to track their spending habits and track what is expensive and could be omitted from their daily life. When people buy as needed, they also don't buy common goods in big budgets, which would be able to save them a lot of money. If you want to see the full video, you can find it on YouTube by following the link in the description. If you're interested in more content like this, remember to subscribe. We will try to post new videos every day. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful.